Start again, Lou. Stupid.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. For today's video, I have partnered with FABFITFUN. It's a seasonal subscription box that comes 4 times a year, and what's inside is worth at least $200, and you pay only $49.99. When you're a subscriber, you do have the opportunity to customize your box. I did not. I just said, surprise me. And before I get started, I just want to let you guys know that there is a coupon code for $10 off your first box. Just use skip10 and you will get $10 off. For those of you that have been watching me for a while, you will know that my daughter has already been through this box. So, hey Maria, this is a magazine slash catalog, yeah. The products that are in the winter box are here. Again, it's customizable, so there are certain things that come in every box and certain things you can pick out yourself. I will keep this as my key. First up, we have makeup eraser. And I have to say the box is stinking cute. It's like those erasers, the pink ones from school. And here it is. And according to the directions, all you have to do is wet this and wipe it over your face and it takes all of your makeup off. I have a hard time believing that, but I'm sure gonna try tonight. Next we have 2020. This is a planner for next year, the year to come, 2020. That's pretty cool. Something fell out. I can't reach it. You know, a lot of people are putting all of their future plans and meetings on the phone. But I am one of those who actually likes to write in what I've got going on. Oh wait, I didn't tell you how much this was. $20 retail. Next we have Color Switch, and it's all in the name. It's a makeup brush cleaner, and when you're switching from one color to another with the same brush, you just scrub it on there and voila, clean brush. And this retails for $16.99. Lashes MD. Here's the next item, and I have heard of this stuff. It is eyelash or eyebrow growth serum. Actually, they describe it as conditioner. Anyway, this retails for $69.95, and let's open it. Now, those of you who have been watching me for a while know that I already use stuff to get my eyelashes to grow, but this will definitely be up next, and I'll see what happens and probably report back. Next is Thirsty Hands. These are gloves that have shea butter and vitamin E inside for dry hands. And I'm thinking there's a pair in each rather than high, left, right. I need this, especially living in Colorado. Dry. Very, very dry. And next we have Soft Focus Glow Drops. This is a primer, illuminating primer, actually. And it retails for $55, which, see, that's the thing is I don't think I would ever spend that on this kind of product for myself, but what's great about FABFITFUN is they kind of do it for you. And there's what that looks like. It's kind of pink with a sheen. Oh my God, and it smells like rainbows. Rainbows and unicorns, actually. So definitely we'll be trying that out. I don't use a primer, and I really should and really want to, so this will be part of my next makeup application for sure. More pink stuff. This is Prep Rally, and it is from Dry Bar. It's a detangler, and it protects your hair from heat. Dry Bar is one of those hairstyling type places that you go to get a blowout that apparently lasts up to a week. This bottle retails for $23. Hold on, I forgot to smell this stuff. Oh my God, it smells so good. God, it's hard to put my finger on what that smells like, but delicious. We're very close to $200, I think, especially with this being 70, 80, 90, 110. Yeah, close if not there yet. I don't feel like doing math right now, so last item. So this is Kate Somerville goat milk moisturizing cream. I've been hearing for a very long time how great goat's milk is for your skin. I believe it was Whoopi Goldberg that I saw in an interview in a magazine, and there was a picture of Whoopi in the bathtub filled with goat milk, and she swears by it, I believe. Oh, and it says right here, growing up with eczema, my mom would put goat's milk in my bath. Use this cream daily to help replenish and nourish skin. Well, I don't have eczema, but I'm all for some good moisture. We have to smell it. Oh, it's unscented, which that's not a disappointment. I don't really like my face lotion to smell or have fragrance added. Let's put it on my gobble. Yeah, no smell. I like that. And you guys, that is it for what is in my FabFitFun box. I have to say it's plenty, and I am most excited about probably the glow drops and the prep rally for my hair. I want to remind you guys of the coupon code SKIP10 if you want to get $10 off your first FabFitFun box. This is my first box, not my last. I feel like it's super convenient. It comes to your house. It's a great way to try new products that you normally wouldn't, and it saves you a ton of money on these products. They ship all over the US, Canada, and the UK. Anyway, you guys, that's it for this FabFitFun unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos.